Trying to open a .mov file on Windows 10 but it won't play? You're not alone. Windows Media Player doesn't support MOV files out of the box, and seeing that can't play this file error can be super frustrating, especially when you just want to watch a video or review a clip quickly. Don't worry, there's a simple fix that takes less than a minute. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, here's how to play MOV files on Windows 10. Option 1. The easiest way, install VLC Media Player. Go to videoland.org, download VLC, it's completely free and safe, then install it. Once it's installed, just right-click your .mov file, select Open With, and choose VLC Media Player. That's it. VLC supports .mov and almost every other video format without needing extra codecs. Option 2. Use the Movies and TV app, but this only works if your .mov file is encoded in a format Windows supports, so it's hit or miss. If it doesn't work, you'll likely need to stick with VLC or convert the file. Bonus, if you prefer to convert the .mov file, use a free online converter like Cloud Convert or Handbrake to convert it to MP4, which is universally supported. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and brings more videos your way. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.